Hello, beautiful people. I welcome you to this day, the EKE Market Day in Idumuodin, Igbanke. Igbanke is in Ohiomweon local government area of Edo State. The Igbanke people are part of the EKE community, which speaks the EKE dialect of Igbo language. I am here today to celebrate with the people of Igbanke on their New Yam Festival. As you all remember, the New Yam is the king of staple crops, which is revered so high by the Igbo people. In each and every Igbo community, they celebrate yam as the king of all staple crops. Why is it so unique to the Igbo people? The Igbo people give thanks each year, celebrating the yam, calling it Ewaji, Ewagi, Emumeji, and so on. Very unique culture, and everywhere that Igbo people are residing or they celebrate this yam. And you can look at this beautiful yams, very beautiful new yam, and the Igbanke people calls it Ewagi Ohun. This is a total Igbo language. Are you still in doubt about the originality or the identity of the Igbanke people? Remove that doubt, because truth by culture and tradition and the way of life, the Igbanke people are a subgroup of the Igbo nation. Join me as we go into the town, meet the elders where they are celebrating their yam. Let's rejoice with them, merry with them, and thank God for a prosperous New Yam Festival. Join me as we do this. Thank you, and God bless.
I don't know. That's not a anymore. Salary Buma, a salary and a back man, a salary in you, Buma. Macadama, one billion open. What did you? Where's the position? That's not a anymore. That's not a new thing. A salary in your marble. A salary in your marble. A salary in your moody. That's an able lemon. Where you know the chap, Yaka to tell good. That's not for anymore. Yagozi Umuri, Yagozi Umubi, Yagozi Umubi, Yagozi Umur. That's Yagozi, a back in the town. I white and I want a weaker, and I want a and I want you, and I want one, and I want a ordinary mouse, ordinary boom mouse, ordinary back and mouse.
I see no answer to no. Can do any motor one. Motor one.
Yaman gospel I want to go.
I tell about to. I want to be able to do. I don't know if I can book one.
Why you go to book